My name is Queen Found, but not just kidding. It's Found.
Our ingredients are water, soap, a sock, a spoon to stir, and a water bottle that's cut. Make sure a parent cuts it. Firstly, let's add our water. Next, we're going to add our sugar. 5 cups. Now stir it. Next, put the water bottle inside of the sock. Now dip your sock into the mixture. Make sure to get most of the water out. Now blow.
This is so big.
Bye!
It's so big.